right, if you're stuck on question 6, you're watching this video, make sure you're following along with me. Don't just watch the entire video and then try to do the problem. So question 6 says, a grasshopper jumps off of a tree stump. The height and feet of the grasshopper above the ground after t seconds, so any number of seconds, is modeled by the function shown. And we've got that right here. After how many seconds will the grasshopper land on the ground? We have a hint here. You won't have this on the test, but it's good practice. Use Desmos and think about what the height would be when the grasshopper is on the ground. So whenever we have an equation or a function, we should always put it into Desmos. If you don't have the graphing calculator open yet, you should definitely open that. And what we're going to do is type this into Desmos exactly how it is. Pause the video, type this into Desmos, play the video once you have it in Desmos. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, maybe. So we're thinking about a grasshopper jumping from a tree stump. Let's say it starts here, it goes up, and then it starts to fall down to the ground. Okay, so again, just visualize a grasshopper jumping. Pretend this is the tree stump. It jumps, and then at some point, it has to start going down until it hits the ground. So if it's hitting the ground using this quadratic function, the ground is going to be right here. So the height is 0. It's all the way on the x-axis. We're pretending this is the ground. And the question is asking, after how many seconds will the grasshopper land on the ground? Well, I know that 0 has to be the height if it's on the ground. So the other number is telling me the number of seconds, and it's 2.931. Anytime there are points on Desmos, it's always a great idea to click on them because they're probably telling us something important about our graph. This point is telling us the number of seconds when the height is 0 or when the grasshopper is on the ground.